What's up, fart huffers? Galactic Criminal here. I'm gonna take another suggestion from the YouTube comment section. I feel like I've seen this band, Infected Rain, requested in the comments section enough times to at least warrant it a view. Because there have been so many people asking me to check this group out, I just looked for the most recent one. It's Aaron Dio. Says, hey man, you should check out the band Infected Rain. Their song Stop Waiting, they're Russian deathcore with lots of skills, and if you do, I will subscribe. What makes you think I am desperate enough for subscribers to bend to your whim? I'm just fucking with you. Or am I? And he'd asked me to check out a different song, and I'd seen other people requesting different songs by the group, but I thought it'd be interesting to check out their new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Infected Rain, Mold, with a 1, 2. The thumbnail looks like it's another female singer. I'm digging that vocal. I think she's singing about me. Literally, that guy's me. Only I'm more handsome. Oh yeah, get that burger. Wasn't expecting any turntable accent. I love the change in the vocal. I like him. Very cool blend of, I guess, different genres. Interesting visual on this. And I kind of understand what this is supposed to be about. I know I'm not saying much, I'm really fucking digging this. I am outside. This game sucks. Huh. Well, I wasn't expecting that. I've said it before that I don't really relate bands and their music to a name, a genre. So when someone like Aaron says, this is a deathcore band, I'm like, well, I don't fucking know what deathcore is. I think that's a good thing in that regard, is that I don't really know what to expect. Now, I usually don't know what to expect because I'm listening to bands that I'd never heard before. Now with this group, I kind of knew what I was getting into, but not really, just based on stuff that I've heard before and what people had said in the comments. I kind of assumed the female vocalist was going to be like a, scream only type thing, and it was not what I got. This is another great example of a lead in a very heavy, fucking deathcore, whatever you want to call it, using the scream to the effect that it accents a part of the song. God, I could feel like I regurgitate that point over and over and over again, as that the variations in the vocal can evoke different emotion in the same song. This band, I felt like so many different influences were here. There was like the DJ scratch and stuff from Limp Bizkit. She did kind of almost do like a rap style, and then like the screech vocal that she does, just the tone of it, I love it. Fucking love it. And then highlighting it with like the throaty to like a beat. It felt like it was building up to those heavier sections rather than just going balls out the whole time. Different sounds and different changes, cool guitar work, a catchy track, very hooky chorus line. I'm still hearing it over and over again in my head. Also interesting visuals in this thing. Like I said, they basically singing the song to me, sitting there playing my damn Xbox all the time, looking at my laptop, smoking and drinking. And come on, if I don't even at least comment on the fact that she's hot as fuck, I'd be doing myself a disservice. Don't get your fucking troll fingers all cocked and ready to go. I'm not saying they gotta be hot to be good, but it is a bonus. So yeah, I think overall her vocal and the way that it changed throughout the song is what kind of pulled me into the experience. I mean, for the most part, the song itself isn't exactly something that I'd never heard before. Didn't really surprise me, but it was very enjoyable. It was very well written. Like I said, the chorus fucking is hooking still in my head. Good look for the group. Yeah, I might have to get some. Thanks again to anyone else who'd requested me check this out. I'm glad I gave it a listen. Anyway, what did you think of the song? Let me know in the comments below. Of course, there will be a link in the description for this video, so you can go ahead and watch it for yourself. Full screen for audio and get the full experience. And as always, have yourself a fantastic evening.